What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible world of subwoofers, and I'm excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the 5-core 15-inch subwoofer pair. These aren't just any subwoofers. They're designed to deliver deep, consistent, and impressive bass response that will take your audio experience to the next level. Whether you're a DJ, a musician, or just an audiophile, you're going to love what these subwoofers have to offer. First, let's talk about the power of these subwoofers. With 220W RMS and 450W max power, you can expect a truly immersive audio experience. The 15-inch subwoofer is capable of producing some seriously deep bass, and the best part is that it's consistent. You won't get any of that annoying distortion or rattling that can ruin the listening experience. Instead, you'll get rich, full-bodied bass that complements the vocals and instruments perfectly. I've had the chance to test these subwoofers in a variety of settings, from small gigs to large events, and I can confidently say that they deliver. The power and clarity of the bass response are simply impressive, and I think you'll be blown away by the difference they can make. Another key feature of these subwoofers is their 8-ohm impedance. This may not seem like a big deal to some of you, but trust me, it's a game changer. With 8-ohm impedance, these subwoofers are compatible with a wide range of PA systems, DJ setups, and speaker systems. This means that you can easily integrate them into your existing setup without having to worry about compatibility issues. I've worked with a lot of different audio systems over the years, and I can tell you that this level of versatility is incredibly valuable. Whether you're a professional or just a hobbyist, you'll appreciate the flexibility that these subwoofers offer. Now, let's talk about the frequency response of these subwoofers. With a range of 20 Hz to 3 kHz, you can expect rich, detailed bass that's balanced by clear vocals and instruments. The F0-3 kHz frequency response is particularly impressive, as it allows the subwoofers to produce deep, rumbling bass without overpowering the rest of the audio spectrum. I've listened to a wide range of music through these subwoofers, from hip-hop to classical, and I can tell you that they deliver. The bass is always deep and powerful, but it never overpowers the rest of the music. Instead, it complements it perfectly, creating a rich, immersive audio experience that's simply stunning. In addition to their impressive performance, these subwoofers are also built to last. The 2-inch CCAW voice coil is designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring that the subwoofers can handle extended use without breaking down. And with a 40 ounces Y30 magnet, you can expect smooth, precise movement of the voice coil, resulting in distortion-free and powerful bass reproduction. I've put these subwoofers through their paces, and I can tell you that they're built to last. They're rugged, reliable, and designed to deliver peak performance even in the most demanding environments. In conclusion, the 5-core 15-inch subwoofer pair is an absolute powerhouse. With their deep, consistent bass response, versatile 8-ohm impedance, and balanced frequency response, they're the perfect addition to any PA system, DJ setup, or speaker system. Whether you're a professional or just a music lover, you owe it to yourself to check these subwoofers out. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on these incredible subwoofers. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Don't settle for mediocre audio, upgrade to the best. Get ready to experience music like never before, and take your audio experience to new heights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.